Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So let us take a look at a quick update about Bitcoin, Ethereum and Ethereum BTC chart also. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let's jump into the charts quickly. So the first chart we look at is Bitcoin, and if we go on the Bitcoin chart, there is something first I want to share with you very important. I did tweet about this just now, and also I shared it on our Telegram group. Make sure you are joined our Telegram group. Bitcoin has broken our our blue trajectory line. And if we look on the daily, we'll get a clear picture. This was the blue trajectory line that we are following. And Bitcoin broke over here. The next candle was also, look at this on the daily. It precisely got stopped by the blue trajectory line, and currently Bitcoin will now go and retest it. It is very important for us to Bitcoin to again reclaim this. So our trajectory line price as of today is at around 43,687. I would love for Bitcoin to reclaim this at least by this weekend. So now let's go to the Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and this is a 4 hour chart, sorry. And I had shared this price targets on our Bitcoin Gem live channel. These are the 1 minute video price targets or the short-term price targets for Bitcoin. So currently, if you look on the 4 hour, Bitcoin is clearly bearish and it needs to first reclaim this resistance at around 44,200. Once it reclaims this, the most important pivot price for me is 46,500. Unless and until Bitcoin does not reclaim 46,500, it will be slightly dangerous for the bulls. If we go and look on the 1 hour chart, then we can see that yes, Bitcoin is trying to recover right now, and it's gaining support above our bull support band, which is right now at around 42,100 on the 1 hour chart. So we need Bitcoin to first reclaim 44,185. This range will act as resistance. You can see here very clearly. Once it reclaims this as support, the next important price point for Bitcoin would be $46,500 zone. And for bulls, it's very important that we reclaim this as soon as possible. If we go for ETH BTC, then ETH BTC is also currently in the bearish in the 1 hour chart, and also on the 4 hour chart it is bearish right now. The important price point for ETH BTC on short term is to reclaim 0.07, and currently it's getting supported by 0.068. So if we further break down in the ETH BTC, then these are the immediate supports at 0.065 and at 0.061 and ultimately at 0.057. It is important for ETH BTC to stay bullish for the altcoins to perform well. If ETH BTC further goes down, then the altcoins overall might get slaughtered in front of Bitcoin. And if we look on the ETH USDT chart, again, this is a 1 hour chart, and ETH is also showing recovery very similar to Bitcoin. So everything currently looks like it's following Bitcoin. And on the immediate short term, we need ETH to reclaim 3368 price, this zone. Look at this. This is a clear rejection, and since then it is coming down. So we need 3368 to 70 price zone for Ethereum to reclaim. The immediate resistance what I see for Ethereum is over here. It got rejected twice at around 3073. So the first step for Ethereum would be to reclaim 3073 $3075 region. Once it reclaims that, it will go and retest 3375. This is very important in the shorter time frame. First, for us to reclaim for the market to resume its bullishness. I hope you guys appreciate and like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.